I'm Tia Kerkhof. This is Physics Chapter 3, Problem 19. A man pushing a mop across a floor causes the mop to undergo two displacements. The first has a magnitude of 150 centimeters and makes an angle of 120 degrees with the positive x-axis. The resultant displacement has a magnitude of 140 centimeters and is directed at an angle of 35 degrees to the positive x-axis. Find the magnitude and direction of the second displacement. So you want to start with a drawing. So you have your first displacement, which you know is 150 centimeters, and your second you know is 140 centimeters, and you're trying to find this distance. And then here, if you draw a straight line, you know that this is 35 degrees, because that's a given. And then you know this whole angle has to be 120 because this first 150 centimeters is at a 120 degree angle, so that inside part is 85. So this part is 60. And if you draw a line parallel to this one, that wasn't very straight. You know that this entire part is 60 degrees because it has to be the opposite, it has to be the same as this one. And then your theta is here, and that's the one you're going to solve for, but the angle you want is out here because that's the second displacement below the x-axis. So you start with your equation. And you're solving for c squared, which is this whole length, and you're using this angle 85 because it's your only given angle. And that gives you approximately 196 centimeters, and that has to be in degree mode. And these are all centimeters. And then that gives you this whole side, and you're trying to find theta, so you do sine of 85 degrees over 196 centimeters, because that's the side you just found, and then sine of theta over 140 centimeters, because that's the side across from theta. And that gives you so you know that theta is 45.3, and that's this angle, and since you want this angle right here, you have to do 60 minus theta, which is 14.7 degrees. So your final answer is that